In this playlist, we'll have a look at the different interrupts available on PolarFire SoC and how to use them in a bare metal application. To follow the steps shown in this playlist, you'll need Soft Console version 6.5 or greater. You'll also need the Icicle Kit reference design tag version 2020.12 or later. If you're not sure how to update to the latest version, watch our video called Getting Back to Factory Defaults. The MPFS GPIO bare metal example project will be used to show some interrupts in this playlist. If you're not sure how to import this project, watch our video called Using the PolarFire SoC bare metal library. We will also use the MPFS bare metal UART interrupt example project to show some of the interrupts. It's also available from the bare metal library. To program and test your board, ensure that the power cable is connected to the power connector shown here. For programming and debug, a micro USB cable should be connected to port J33 on the left of the board. To access the MSS UART connections, connect a micro USB cable to port J11 on the right of the board. If you need to program the eMMC, you can connect a micro USB cable to port J16 at the top of the board. All of the connections are shown here.